In this lecture, we're going to talk about gross rating points and cost per thousand. When we're looking at gross rating points, it's a measure of advertising effectiveness, and what we're talking about is how many people you're going to reach. So we have our gross rating points here, GRP, GRIPS, is equal to the reach time, which is the average rating, times the frequency. Very straightforward, very simple. Reach, which is the average rating, and we talked about that on a different video, times the frequency. If we want to look at cost per thousand is a measure of our advertising, just how much it costs to get to people. Cost per thousand is simply CPM is equal to the cost of the ad divided by the thousands of people seeing the ad. If we look at our assumptions for this calculation, we have two assumptions for the first one. The assumptions are that the rating is 4.4, the frequency is 6. The assumptions for our CPM are that the commercials cost $500 a piece and 3,000 people are listening. If we do our calculations for our GRIPS, our gross rating point is equal to reach, which is 4.4, times our frequency, which is 6. You do the simple math and you find that it's 26.4. It's like everything else that we face. The calculation is easy. The challenge is to get this information when you're doing your work. Our next calculation is the cost per thousand, and in cost per thousand we use our formula here. The cost of the ad is $500. The number of people seeing the ad is per thousand listeners, thousands of people. We have 3,000 listeners, so we divide that by 3. And we find that our cost per thousand then is $167 per thousand. So the calculations here are the gross rating point, which is reach times frequency, and cost per thousand, which is cost divided by thousands of people.